everyone, welcome back to our channel. Let's talk about Deskera. It is all-in-one platform that helps you manage leads, deal, contact, and customer messages. It works great for startup and growing team. Deskera brings your sale and marketing into one easy dashboard. In this video, we will show you the key features, how they help, and how to use it. First, lead and deal management. You can capture, track, qualify leads easily, move deals through your sales stage with simple drag and drop. You can also assign deals to team member and track progress using analytics. They keep your sale team organized and help you close faster. Next, contact management. You can save all your contacts in one place, track messages, write notes, and set reminder for follow-up. You can even split your contact info group, that is called segmenting. This helps your customer relationship strong and no one get missed. Next, email campaign. You can send personalized email from Deskera, use template, automate follow-ups, and track who opens and click. This brings your sales and marketing team together. Then tags and activating tracking. You can create and follow tasks like call, meetings, and emails. This boosts your daily productivity and helps your sales team stay on track. Now, dashboard and report. You can see your real-time sales data clearly, track revenue, win rate, team activity, sales speed. This gives you smart info to make better business decisions. So, why pick Deskera? It is very simple, affordable, works great with Deskera Book and Deskera People, perfect for small business that wants to grow fast without using many tools. It's mobile friendly so your team can work from anywhere. So in short, Deskera helps you manage your team, track deals, talk to customer, and grow your business. All in one easy to use Deskera CRM. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next video.